Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube series on starting Python. In this series we will cover the basics of Python. Before I start, I'd like to say this series requires no knowledge of coding or computer science. In this video we will go over how to install Python and use it, how to make a simple chatbot application, and what the common syntax is in Python. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, firstly, we're going to open the web browser of our choice because we're going to begin the installation of Python. So I'm going to use Safari here because I'm on Mac OS X. Now please note for this tutorial you do not require to be on Mac OS X and you can use Windows. Okay, so you want to head over to python.org. The link will be in the description. Once you've gone over here, you'll see all of these buttons. You need to press downloads. Now, this is the download page. This will probably be different for you if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, it'll say download the latest version for Mac OS X. You press this button here and a download will start up here. I've already got Python installed, so after it's installed, I want you to go ahead and open it. I'm going to do that now. Pause the video while it downloads. Okay, right, you're back. You've installed Python, well, you've downloaded it. Now it's time to install it. So for Windows you'll probably get an installer. I'm afraid I won't be able to show you how that will work, but if you're on Mac OS I can show you exactly how that will work. On Windows I'd suggest just pressing next, next, next as many times as you have to. Right, on Mac you want to open your file. You can press continue here, continue, continue, agree, install. I have to put my fingerprint on here or you have to put in your password. And then it'll begin installing Python. The install won't take too long. However, if it's taking a long time for you, you must have a bit of a slow computer. No problem though, Python will run fine. It's just the installation. Okay, brilliant. Python's installed. Or at least it says it has. Don't know. Yep, here. Press close, move to bin. That makes everything really easy. So, now we've got Python 3.8 here. We're going to open Python launcher.app. Now with you, it'll be very different. Sorry, that's not the right thing. We're going to open idle.app, IDLE. IDLE, idle, is what we use when we're coding in Python. Let's double click this. And you'll be put in a shell. Now a shell is sort of like a command prompt. So it's all for like live code. That's not what we want. We want to make a program that we can run. So we're going to press up here, file, new file. This is going to give us a new page. It's going to be labelled untitled and it's going to be completely blank. Now this is where we code. So if I type in here, print, hello world, comma, closed bracket. That's now my code. This is what will run when we boot up my Python program. Now I'm actually going to try and make the text in my Python a little bit bigger so you guys can see it if you can't already. If you're on Mac and you want to do this, go on idle up in the top left, preferences, and then on fonts/tabs you're going to want to increase the size. You don't have to do this, but for the purposes of the tutorial, I'm going to do this. Hit apply, OK, and now the text is a lot clearer. OK, so you've booted up Python, you've changed the font size to your choice, and you're ready to go. But where do you start? You don't know what to write in this, you don't know how to code. Well, that's what we're going to go over. To begin, we're going to try the print command. So print, well, it's like printing. It will let your Python program output a response. So if I write in here, hello, YouTube, and then I close the bracket, hit up here, run module, hit OK, save this as tutorial. And now it'll run and it'll say hello YouTube. Now there's nothing else for it to do, so after that it will just exit out. So the shell is for running Python code as you can see up here. Here's the shell. So we're back in the shell now and it's running our code, and it said hello YouTube. Now in this video, as I said, we're going to go over how to make a very simple chatbot. This is nothing super special, guys, so don't think you're going to be making the next, what's it called, Reflecty here. We're not making that, we're just making a very simple thing. So it could say, hello, how was your day? That's quite a nice thing for a chatbot to say. But you guys don't have to put this in the text though. This is, you can put whatever you want in here. But make sure you have these quotation marks, because without these, Python will think you're referring to a variable rather than a string. So this right here is a string. If it's in between two quotations, it's a string. So that, inside the brackets, because print is a function. So print, like that, that's a function. And then it needs something to print. It needs a variable to pass through the function. So for now, we're going to have two quotation marks like this. That is now a full function with a variable being passed through it. So right now we've got our full function, then we've got a variable being passed through it, which is a string. So now if we hit up here run module, okay, boom, hello, how was your day? Now, I'm going to show you how to do a variable rather than a string. So if I do welcome, and then I make welcome into a string, so welcome could be hello, welcome to Chatty. That's going to be the name of my program. That's going to say welcome equals, so this is a variable here, welcome is my variable, equals, and then it equals this string. So whenever welcome is referred to, it'll skip straight to this, so you do not have to write this out every single time. So now, if we put in here the name of your variable, which is welcome in my case, without the speech marks, because it's not a string, it's a variable, and hit run module, it's okay, boom, it'll say hello, welcome to Chatty. But if we look at our code, here, it just says welcome, it does not say hello, welcome to Chatty. So it's actually going to see, it's saying, we need to go and get welcome and tell it to come out to the shell. So it goes and knocks on welcome's door, and welcome says hello. Here's what I think this is what you're looking for, and it'll send out hello, welcome to Chatty, and then print will bring that back and it'll put it into the shell. So that's a very simple way of thinking of it, but I think that works. That's how it got explained to me, and I think that worked for you as well. So you've learned how to do the print command, and now you think you're ready to start taking responses. Well, that's what we'll do in the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in episode 2. Bye.